afternoon. Thank you for tuning in to Texo Instruments. Today we'll actually be showing some simple instructions on how to properly suit and put on the 42 cal Proterra by DuPont, which is actually the LCI series for the Oberon Arc Flash clothing. First you'll start with your bib overalls, and today we'll actually be talking about the coat and bib overall style and not the coverall style. First you'll step into your bib overalls here. And then you will adjust your hook straps around the ankles, which is actually the Velcro material here, which actually allows you to adjust it around your boots. And as you can tell, I have the FR shirt. It's an 8.5 cal medium sky blue FR shirt. Highly recommended, long sleeve, regular sizing. And then you'll grab your suspenders here. You just want to connect those directly in to the actual front chest area of the bib. And then as you can notice, they have the adjustable straps here, so you can make it tighter or you can actually loosen it depending on the sizing of your chest area. And so I'm just going to adjust that here slightly, okay, till I make sure that it fits. And then once it fits, you want to make sure that you keep some of that slack out. Gives you a little bit of room to put the actual bib overall on over your actually daily wear clothes. And then you'll grab your jacket. Have your jacket here, which also comes with the Velcro straps here in the front. You basically want to connect that all the way to the top there. Also comes with the wristlets, Velcro straps, so allows you to adjust it based on your wrist. And then you have, last but not least, is your flash hood, which is also rated at 42 calories with the visual light transmission. Also the Oberon patented feature with the anti-fog, scratch-resistant face shield. As you can notice on this particular helmet, we do have the ventilation system built in because they do tend to get a little warm, but that's a fantastic feature to have. It's actually the hood-mounted one. They do come in two different standard features, which is the belt loop or the hood-mounted loop ventilation system. And then what you'll do is you'll actually you'll grab your safety goggles and your earplugs. You want to properly put on your safety goggles here. Now I highly recommend looking into a balaclava. And then you'll put on your flash hood, make sure that it fits directly on top of your head. And you want to also prepare the face shield so that it covers your chest area here, your shoulders here, and it comes all the way down your back. So make sure that you have a comfortable fit. And then you would put on your voltage rated gloves, whether it be a Class OO, Class O, Class 1, Class 2, Class 3, or Class 4. You'll put those on with your insulated rubber gloves and your glove protectors and your canvas storage bag. And then for storing instructions, it's very, very simple. You would take your completed glove kit and you would put that within your safety kit bag here. As you can tell, this one happens to be orange. You have blue, you have yellow. There's varieties of different colors, but I highly recommend looking into a complete safety kit bag based on from the manufacturer and so forth. And then what you'll actually do is you take your flash hood off, and then it's just going to be based on the adjustments here. You're just going to adjust this back down so that it's flat on the inside. You make sure to verify that your ventilation system is completely turned off. It's just as easy as on or off. And you want to tuck that here into your hard cap. And what I usually recommend doing with the particular hard caps, flash hoods, is just folding the chest area above the actual face shield. Kind of provides one extra line of protection. Then you'll take this here and you'll store that directly into your safety kit bag. And then you'll work with the coat by Velcro strapping the coat taking the coat off. And then it's easy as folding the coat to properly place that inside of your bag also. And then taking off your bib overalls. It's as easy as unsnapping the suspenders, and then you're going to unhook the straps at the feet and slide them off by the legs. And then you'll fold those up and place those inside of your bag also, along with your safety goggles and your earplugs. And then you would place your voltage rated safety gloves directly here within the bag. Now these particular garments are 100% inherently FR. There are other garments out there that are partially treated, partially inherently FR, but you definitely want to look into the particular units that are inherently FR, which basically means that the flame resistance material will never be washed out. It's actually embedded into the thread. It's manufactured into every individual thread when the actual suit is manufactured individually. Other suits out there you have that particularly say that they're actually inherently FR. They're actually partially treated, which basically means they have a particular fabric in it, which is actually some of it is wool, some of it is polycotton, where it's actually dipped into an actual solvent, which makes it flame resistant or flame retardant, if you're familiar with that keyword. But these particular units here, the DuPont by Proterra, the DuPont Nomex, they're actually 100% inherently flame resistant. So no matter what the actual flame resistant properties will not be washed out of these particular garments here. And they're as simple as, just with the FR, exact same with the FR daily wear shirt. The laundry instructions are as simple as you want to use mild warm water with mild detergents. Definitely don't want to use any type of detergents that contain oxygen bleach or chlorine bleach, in other words, with hydrogen peroxide type of chemicals that could possibly damage the actual fabric itself. And as far as with the face shield, if you're interested in exactly how do you clean the actual face shields of the actual hoods, it's as simple as taking a soft cloth, putting a little bit of water on it there, and then you wipe across the face shield, and you can do the exact same on the interior of the actual face shield itself. I highly recommend not using Windex. The Windex will damage the actual face shield itself. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call, 760-444-0032. Thank you.